A very good o'clock, dear students. Here I am Nikita, I am your geography teacher. Students, today we are going to continue our discussion over chapter 20. Let us start this chapter today, and this is about the remaining all the climatic regions of the world. Okay, so we'll start with the temperate grasslands, and then we'll also study about the taiga and tundra type of climatic regions. Okay, so basically, what is a temperate grassland? It's a type of vegetation. As the name suggests, it's dominated by deep rooted native grasses. Okay, basically it is a land, it's a type of vegetation which is dominated by grass which are deep rooted. Okay, and these are found in the areas with dry continental climate with a summer drought. Okay, means these are found in areas where there's very less precipitation, and those areas lie in the interior of the continent away from the sea, experiencing a very high range of temperature. Temperate grassland covers 6% of Earth's land. Okay, then most of these lie far away from sea through temperature grassland regions of South America and Africa are closer to the sea due to the tapering shapes of the continent. Okay, most of them lie far away from the sea, but the temperate grasslands of South America and Africa are closer to sea because of the bending shape of the continent and are known by different names in different continents. Okay, names are given here. In Eurasia region, they are known as steppes grassland. North America, prairies grassland. South America, pampas grassland. Africa, velds, and Australia, downs. Okay. So the temperate grassland are found between 40 to 55 degree latitude north and south in the interior of continent, far away from the influence of trade winds or westerlies. It means that these are found in the temperate region. Okay, that is from 40 degree to 55 degree north and south. Okay, and these are away from the influence of trade winds or any westerlies. Okay, climate. So talking about the climate, it has a continental type of climate, and in continental type of climate we know that the range of temperature is very high. It means the summers are very hot and the winters are extremely cold. Okay, summer temperature can be as high as 38 degrees Celsius, and the winter temperature can be as low as minus 40 degree Celsius. This is a region of warm summers with 18 degrees Celsius as the mean summer temperature. It means the mean summer temperature remains around 18 degrees Celsius, and winters are cold with temperatures below freezing point. Means in the winters there's extreme cold, the temperature never rises above freezing point. Okay, this is due to the interior location of the region which is away from the moderating effect of sea. Okay, so annual rainfall is also very low, that is between 50 to 90 centimeter, and the actual amount of rainfall depends upon relief and location. The actual amount of rainfall received in this region depends upon the variety of the relief and location. Then rainfall is mainly convectional in nature. Convectional rainfall is there, it means which is caused by heating of the atmosphere. Okay, falling mostly in summer. Mostly summer rainfall happens. Winter precipitation is in the form of snow. Winter precipitation means winter rainfall is in the form of snow, and local winds blow unobstructed for miles are quite strong. Here, because there are no trees for the obstruction of wind, so local winds are very strong and they can blow for miles without any obstruction in their way because there are no trees. Okay, so nothing is to stop them. Then about the vegetation, since they are grassland, so temperate grassland are characterized as having grasses. Okay, mainly they are characterized by grasses as the dominant vegetation. Trees and large shrubs are absent here. Okay, trees and large shrubs are absent, and short grass grow everywhere. Short grasses grow everywhere. Areas having the rainfall more than 50 centimeter have a rich carpet of grass suitable for cattle rearing. Okay, so where there's a high rainfall, high not high but comparatively high, that is 50 centimeter, then there are good slope of grasses, good carpet of grasses, good carpet of grass that is suitable for cattle rearing. Okay, and areas that receive less than 50 centimeter rainfall, they have coarse means a rough, stiff means hard grass, and which is suitable for grazing only sheep and goats. So in these kind of areas sheep and goats can be reared. Okay, next, the soil of the temperate grassland is deep and dark with fertile upper layers. The soil are deep and dark, and these are fertile upper layer. It is nutrient rich from the growth and decay of So basically, these soils have humus that is composed of the dead and decaying roots of the grasses, okay, that are very deep. And the rotted roots have hold the soil together, provide a food source for living plants, okay. These rotted roots means जो roots सड़ जाती हैं, the ones that get spoiled, they provide nutrient to the soil for other living plants, okay. So each different species of grass grows best in a particular grassland environment that is determined by temperature, rainfall and soil condition, okay. Particular grassland environment has different species of grasses, and that depends upon the rainfall and temperature and soil, okay. Next is the seasonal drought, occasional fires and grazing by large mammal all prevent woody shrubs and trees from invading and becoming established. It means the trees could not grow here because of the grazing by large animal, fires and droughts, okay. However, some few trees are found here such as cottonwoods, oaks and willows that grow in river valleys where there is sufficient water, okay. Some no woody plants are also there, specifically few hundred species of flowers, okay. Many flowers grow here, and various species of grasses include purple needle grass, blue grama, buffalo grass, galeta. These are all the species of grasses, okay. Different grasses are there. Flowers also include asters, blazing stars, cornflowers, golden rods, sunflowers, clovers and wild indigos, okay. About the wildlife, the plants are also food for animals. So most temperate grasslands are inhabited by hares, okay. Mainly there are hares, mice and other small rodents. Rodents means the animals that live on the land or inside the land by digging it, okay. Those are known as rodents. And some of them familiar rodents are found in North American grasslands are prairie dogs, mice, rats and ground squirrels, okay. Eurasian steppes, matlab the grasslands of steppes have mice, hamsters and gerbils and sussex, okay. Next, Australian grasslands have some rodent like wombat, rat, kangaroo, etc. And the larger animals in temperate grasslands are grazing animals mainly, okay. That is sheep, goat, buffalo, cow, all these are grazing animals, okay. Next, in the North American prairies, they are found bison and pronghorn antelopes, okay. In Australia, kangaroos and wallabies roam freely, means types of kangaroos and wallabies can be seen there. Next, since the grassland have few trees, most birds nest on the ground and are not good flyers but have strong, powerful legs to outrun predators. It means the birds that are living here do not form their nest on the trees because trees are not there, right? So they form their nest on the ground and do not have much capacity to fly, but they are good runners, okay. They have the strong legs to run out from the predators. And the ostrich of Africa, Southern American rhea and Australian emu are the examples of such birds, okay. That's all about this topic. Human adaptation and other topics we'll discuss tomorrow. Thank you.